Hi, this is Sue with the Teachers Upstairs. Today I'll be showing our digital interactive notebook that follows the 5E model for balanced and unbalanced forces on objects. This is the title slide you're looking at. It shows students how to progress through the slideshow. And since technology can be a little bit tricky, we've provided a link that will allow you to report any broken links within the lesson should they happen. The next slide is our learning target and success criteria. The third slide is a literacy read, which we include with every digital interactive notebook. On the left side, it has highlighting strips that students simply drag and drop, and then they can manipulate how far or wide they want to create their highlights. On the right-hand side, you have these icons that, again, students can drag and drop so they can interact with the reading. On the fourth slide is our focus words, which goes over key vocabulary students need to know in the lesson. And then that brings us into the first E of our 5E model, which is engage, getting students excited to read and ready for the lesson. This portion of the lesson also introduces the phenomena we will be covering. The second E is the explore. Students manipulate an online interactive, so if they hover over this right here, it takes them to a link or a simulation or a lab, and then they answer reflection questions on the right-hand side. We also have a practice where students simply will drag and drop, again, to practice their knowledge. On the next slide, we've got several which are the explain. So there are usually several of these, and they explain the phenomena to students to allow them to reflect on their knowledge. So we explain on the left-hand side, and they will do reflection questions on the right-hand side. Here's the second explain. Then we provide a brain break with a challenge. If you'll notice that each of these lessons also comes embedded with an audio clip where students can click on, and then it will read the text aloud to them. Following the brain break is the last explain, and this gives them a task of, again, classifying the cause and effect. So they'll drag and drop in order to practice their knowledge. The elaborate is where students make personal connections to the phenomena. Then we have an evaluate section. Students are given a 5 to 10 question quiz to evaluate what they have learned. This information goes directly to you, the teacher. And then on the last one, this is the plus. We advertise these as a 5E plus model. This is the plus because we provide an extension and we provide an intervention. So students who score based on their score of their quiz, they'll do the extension portion, or if they need to go back and review the information, they have a review right here, and then they can retake the quiz. And then we follow up lastly with growth mindset slide, which shows students that their hard work pays off. So thanks for watching.